Hi guys, Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and FoxAirPower.com. How's everybody doing, man? So check it out. Today we're out here with the AEA Fox Air Power Challenger Elite. This is the 35 caliber. This is the production model. Let's see how she does. All right, man, we're gonna do the heavy stuff. We're gonna do some 173 grain Mr. Holopoy slugs. All right. Wow, what a nice shot. This thing's hitting, man. Woohoo! This gun likes these heavy 173s. It does. That's a great group. This is the Mr. Holopoint 173 grain group. All right, man. Now we're gonna check out these beautiful 120 grain Mr. Holopoint slugs. All right. Very nice shot. Very center. What do you think of that? Woo! That's like really hole in hole. Yeah. Right. That's the best group of the day right there. This gun loves the Mr. Holopoint. No, it does good with everything, but it likes these 120s, that's for sure. This is the Mr. Holopoint 120 grain group. All right, you guys, we're gonna check out the Mr. Holopoint 99 grain slugs. Let's see how they do. Very nice shot. Alright, another nice shot. Perfect. Great group, man. That's with the 99 grain Mr. Holopoints. Awesome. Here is the Mr. Holopoint 99 grain group. Alright, man, we're going to check out these GSB Hades. These are the 77.16 grain stuff. Looking for a nice 3-round group. sweet. Nice shot. Really nice shot. All right, that was a heck of a group right there, man. That's the JSB Hades, 77.16 grain.
Nice.
This is the JSB Hades 77.16 grain group. All right, you guys, we're now going to check out the Impulse Air. This is the hollow body technology slugs. These are 68 grain. Let's see how the Elite does with these. All right, very nice. Nice. Grouping. Really nice group, man, with these Impulse Air hollow body technology slugs. Yeah. And last but not least is the Impulse Air hollow body technology 68 grain group. All right, man, we had a great day out here with the AEA Fox Air Power Challenger Elite, the 35 cal. This gun is a well-rounded gun. I mean, we put quite a bit of different ammo through this gun today, and it did good with everything. I mean, we got the 68 grain hollow body technology Impulse Air slugs. We got the Hades 77.16 grain pellet. We got the Mr. Hollow Point 99s, the Mr. Hollow Point 120s, and the Mr. Hollow Point 173s. You can see how well the gun did good with everything. I mean, good, very nice, well-rounded air gun, man. Very happy with this gun. Well, as you can tell, we had wind and jets all day long. Check them out, man. That's some real air power right there, man. Okay, that's all I have for today. This is Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and FoxAirPower.com. I want to thank everybody for being here, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.